Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please, may we know your name and your health challenge before you visited BS Company to use the quantum healing machine that treats different health challenges without drugs?
Yeah, my name is Mr. Abuara here from which I'm living at Greater. I got the information to BS Company through their radio 93.3 or so. From the radio now, I send them a text to actually direct me to the office. So about 2 months ago, I came here for a test because I was having issue with my urine. So after I run my test here in the DS Company, it was detected that I had prostate enlargement or so. And throughout that period, I do have frequent urination. Sometimes in a day I urinate more than 20 times. In the night, sometimes I don't even sleep. Before I know, I'm up. That's why I continue to urinate until day breaks. But after I ran the test and I started the treatment here in BS Company for 2 weeks with a quantum machine. After the 2 weeks, I now went for a test. So I went to a renowned hospital. I did my prostate test there and it was confirmed okay. As I'm talking to you now, right now, the frequency in urination has stopped. Sometimes in the night, I do not even know whether anything like urine. I don't even urinate, sometimes in the night. In the daytime, sometimes 2 times or 3 times, depending intake of water. If I take much water, before that would affect. So it was marvelous. When I brought the test to BS Company, everybody shocked. Even myself was shocked. The doctor said my prostate have no issue, that everything is okay. So I was very, very happy and I really appreciated BS Company. Whoever is in doubt, please, if you have similar issue or problem, please come to BS Company. The quantum machine can do that effectively without any stress. You don't need to go to hospital for operations. Just come to BS Company. It is done already. I am a witness to this and I'm attesting to that. Please, I'm appealing to anybody out there who have similar problems should come to BS Company and your case is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this wonderful experience with BS Company.
I appreciate you, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you. All right, so this is the man in my office at BS Company, Rumola, Port Harcourt, currently using the quantum healing machine on his prostate enlargement treatment. So you can see how relaxing it is and it's skin friendly, no heat, no vibrations. It's just there. You can see how the lights are illuminating his body and it corrects that prostate enlargement, causing frequent urination, painful urination, and sometimes to those difficulty in starting the urine. If you're having erection problem, it fixes it as well for you. This is all in one.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your wonderful experience, sir. Please, what do you have to say about it? Is it hot? Is it paining you? Is it vibrating you?
No, you have said it all. That is how it is.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
I always tell anybody who has similar issues should just come over and receive
Similar issues like what, sir?
the prostate issue.
Prostate enlargement, prostate cancer, weak erection. This is how you use it. Thank you so much, sir.
God bless you.
All right, thank you.
God bless you.